I've spent my entire career in data integration, data transformation, data cleansing, but I really wanted to be part of what's new and what's next in the category. And Trifacta is absolutely that. The company is really born of a joint research project between Berkeley and Stanford. And so you had Joe, who is a world-renowned distributed computing professor at Cal, who gets together with Jeff, who's a world-renowned visualization professor at Stanford at the time, and then Sean, who is ultimately the shared grad student who, I like to kid, was doing all the work.
Startups are all about being in the right place at the right time, right? And right now we are definitively in the right place at the right time. So 3 years ago, you're like, who's storing their corporate data on the cloud for cloud-based BI? The answer is nobody, right? And there's been a whole bunch of cloud-based analytics tools that failed in prior years because no one was gonna upload their data to some startup cloud vendor. But they will upload their data to Amazon, right? We're built on Amazon.
The frontier for competition for most of these organizations is actually the data. And what you're seeing is that the ability to take disparate data and to combine it in new and interesting ways is the thing that is going to allow you to get to unique insights that will drive your business.
You've got a lot of data being stored in the cloud ecosystems, and with Trifacta being able to access it, you can now transform a whole lot more than you could before. It's also the ability for users to access the data up in the cloud, the whole importance of data in your natural business processes.
As data becomes more and more of a strategic asset for businesses, it's going to be more and more important for people to be able to scalably, reusably, transparently prepare data without giving up the freedom that they need to do their own tasks. And Trifacta does a uniquely good job of empowering both of those things.
When users see this product, they light up. It's like magic for them. They can see the data come together in the way they want right in front of their eyes based on the decisions that they make or the recommendations that we provide. And that is an incredibly empowering experience for them. And they feel for the first time that they can truly be data-driven.
The real aha moment is somebody does something in 40 minutes that used to take them 4 days, or 4 days that used to take them 4 weeks, and you get it.
Trifacta is a great product. It really is easy for end users to come up to speed quickly, to share what they're doing, and really provides transparency in an organization that few products can match.
It is the only product on the market that solves what IT is looking for and the end user is looking for, period.
The fact that we can turn around and say that we are operating the largest data wrangling environments on the planet is an incredibly exciting place to be as this stuff continues to explode. And that is magical.